What's up, Lord's family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make frozen edamame at home. Seems like a restaurant quality. So normally edamame you can get the restaurants as a appetizers, as a snacks. Cost will be around, depend on the restaurants. You will get some restaurants more expensive and some restaurants a little bit low cost. But in a normal restaurants, you will get 3-4 euro in a small ball, almost 10-15 pieces. So I'm gonna teach you, you can buy the frozen one and how you can make restaurant quality edamame at home. Firstly, I have the two types of edamame. One with the skin, you can see here. And another I have here the edamame without skins. So that is the frozen one. This I already defrosted. This is still frozen, so I'll put running tap water so it will be a defrost. So I'm gonna teach you today 3 types of edamame. One very simple, one with spicy, and one without skin with spicy garlic. Let's go. That is the normal salt, kosher salt, and I have garlic. To make the spicy edamame, I'm going to use sriracha, SN chili sauce. I'm going to use the tograsi, and also I'm going to use soy sauce. And also I'm going to use sesame oil. I'll clean this edamame with running tap water. So if we have any bacteria, any parasite in the outer layer, it will go away. Our tap water. After boiling water, you can add a little bit kosher salt. Then you can add edamame. No need to cook more time, just 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Maximum 3 minutes. When it will be ready, edamame will start to be a dark green, so we can take out. After that, we will make the normal one, spicy one. Even you can add the garlic. You will see everything's on the step by step. Don't go out from this video, okay? I'm going to boil. Now I'm going to make normal one, okay? To make the normal one, you don't need to make anything. Just you can add a little bit salt. Then add just a little bit sesame oil for the extra level of aroma. Then you can mix it very well. Then you can serve it. This is very normal one, you know. Let's make the spicy one. I'll add just a little bit sesame oil and just a little bit salt. Then I'm going to add the tograsi, sesame, and this is totally optional. Black pepper, just a little bit, okay? Also, I'll use just a little bit soy sauce. This is spicy one. Heat the pan, use just a little bit sesame oil, add just a little bit salt, add garlic. I really love the garlic. When garlic turn a little bit brown, then add whatever you want, spices. I'm going to add here sriracha and add tograsi and soy sauce. This is our third type of garlic spicy edamame at home. Seems like a restaurant quality. This is our normal edamame, and here is our spicy edamame, and here is our spicy garlic edamame at home. I hope if you try it at home, you're gonna love this recipe. Very simple. You don't need lots of things also. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.